A Cash Giraffe achievement that stays locked usually needs to be checked against the exact activity requirement first, because completing a game does not always mean the achievement has been detected by the reward system. By the end, you'll know how to check the requirement, refresh tracking, verify the game setup, and document the problem if the achievement still refuses to unlock. Start by opening Cash Giraffe and checking the achievement itself. Look at the exact requirement and compare it with what you actually completed in the game. If the requirement is tied to a particular level, milestone, or activity, reaching a different milestone may not trigger it. Next, completely close Cash Giraffe and reopen it. Then launch the tracked game, and check whether your normal activity is being recorded. If your regular progress is also missing, the problem is likely with tracking rather than the achievement. Check how the game was installed as well. If you started a Cash Giraffe offer, the safest approach is to launch the game through the offer, and make sure the activity is connected to Cash Giraffe. Installing the game separately before starting the offer can prevent activity from being attributed correctly. On Android, open Settings, select Apps, find Cash Giraffe, and review the available permissions and battery settings. If your phone restricts background activity, allow Cash Giraffe to operate normally, and test the achievement again. You should also check the Google Play Store or App Store for a Cash Giraffe update. Install any available update, restart the app, and then check the achievement again. If the achievement remains locked while other activity is tracking correctly, avoid repeatedly uninstalling the game or creating another account. Those changes can make an existing tracking problem harder to diagnose. Instead, capture screenshots showing the achievement requirement, your completed progress, and the locked achievement. Also record the game name and the point or milestone you reached. Then contact Cash Giraffe support through the app and provide those details. The important distinction is whether the achievement alone is stuck or the entire game is failing to track. If everything has stopped updating, troubleshoot tracking first. If regular activity is working but one achievement remains locked, document the completed requirement and contact support. Your next step is to verify the achievement requirement, refresh Cash Giraffe, check the game installation and phone settings, and test the achievement again. If this fixed your Cash Giraffe achievement problem, like the video and subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.